Okay. What the heck? Hello everyone, Rainbow Fox Games here with... Oh wait, I just mixed that up. I mixed that up! Rainbow Wolf Gamer here with Rainbow Fox Games.
You're weird.
Anyway, he came up with the idea to make parodies, is that how you say it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of the Raining Tacos song.
It's raining poop poop.
Oh god.
Out of the sky.
Why?
Poop poop.
What?
No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
Why?
It's raining poop poop.
My character is just like, why?
It's raining poop poop. Out in the street.
Why?
All you can eat. Your turn.
What? Wait, should I do the people one?
Mm-hmm.
It's raining people from out of the sky. People, don't even ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining people. Wait, what's the next one? I forgot the next
It's raining people. Out in the street. People. All you can eat.
Why?
What next?
I don't know what to do.
It's raining Zanes.
Oh!
Out of the sky. Zanes. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining Zanes. It's raining Zanes.
Why?
Out in the street. Zanes. All you can eat. Next.
Okay. Wait, okay, what's...
It's raining half mouth. No, do it. Do one. Already sang like 3 of them.
Okay, let me think. It's raining poodles from out of the sky. Poodles, don't even ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining poodles. I can't even sing like
It's raining poodles. Out in the street.
Poodles.
Poodles. All you can eat. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Wait, I have an idea. I have a great idea.
Okay.
It's raining grappling
Oh my god!
out of the sky. Grappling hooks. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
Oh my god!
It's raining grappling hooks. It's raining grappling hooks.
Why?
Out in the street. Grappling hooks. All you can eat. Ew. That would be disgusting.
Ew.
Next.
What do you think?
It's raining turds. I'm just kidding.
No.
Ooh, this is a good one.
What is it?
Oh. I can't use it though. Mm.
What the heck was that?
Next. Make another one.
Um.
It's raining Rainbow Wolf Gamers.
What? It's raining Rainbow Fox Games.
Out in the street. It's too big. I'm not doing that anymore.
It's too long. Let's just say rainbows.
It's raining rainbows. Out of the sky. Rainbows. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining rainbows. It's raining rainbows. Out in the street. Rainbows. All you can eat.
I wonder what they taste like.
Ew.
They probably just taste like rain and air. It's
Okay.
just rain and air.
It's rainy. Oh. Wait, I have an idea. I have a great idea. It's raining meteors. From out of
What?
the meteors. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth.
Why?
It's raining meteors. It's
Oh my
raining
God.
meteors. Out in the street, meteors. All you can eat. Oh my gosh, that must hurt.
Ow! I just imagining it just destroyed everyone. There's just people standing outside with their arms open trying to eat them. And they're just catching on fire and rolling on the ground, rolling down the hills and stuff. And catching the trees on fire.
Ew. Okay, ready? It's raining poop.
Oh, why? Why?
Poop. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
Oh my god.
It's raining poop.
Wait.
It's raining poop poo.
Please stop. Wait, I got one.
Out in the street.
It's raining
Poo-poo.
dynamite. Okay. Dynamite. Don't even ask me.
It's raining what?
Dynamite.
Oh.
Dynamite. It doesn't really fit, but oh well.
It's raining fire. Out in the street. Fire.
That's exactly.
All you can eat.
Oh gosh. Are you okay?
Wait, I have a great idea. Wait. Where'd I find it? Where'd it go? It's raining creepers.
What?
From out of the sky. Creepers.
That's not good.
No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining creepers. It's raining creepers.
Oh gosh.
Out in the street.
What the?
Creepers. All you can eat. Mmm. That's delicious. It's basically gunpowder.
Why would you eat gunpowder?
Mmm. Wait, let's do the rainbow one more time. I have an idea. No, wait. Let's make a couple more.
This video is already 7 minutes.
That doesn't matter. Okay, let's see. It's raining bracelets.
What? Why?
From out of the sky. Bracelets. No need to ask
That's
why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
Everyone's gonna be choking.
It's raining bracelets. It's raining bracelets. Out in the street. Bracelets. All you can eat. Just wear them on your neck.
Good job. Everyone's gonna choke to death. That's
Oh well. It's raining high pixels
What?
out of the sky. High pixels. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
It's raining high pixels. That doesn't fit.
It's raining high pixels out in the street. High pixels out of all you can eat. Wait, ready? Watch this.
What if Hypixel watched this?
That would be amazing.
Cake?
It's raining rainbows
Oh my god, rainbows.
out of the sky.
We already did rainbows.
Rainbows. No need to ask
We
why.
already did rainbows.
Open your mouth and close your eyes, and it's raining rainbows.
Wait. Rainbows. Rainbows.
It's raining rainbows out in the street. Rainbows. All you can eat. Oh, it actually looks like you ate it.
I know it did. That's what I was trying to do.
All you can eat.
I think we should end it here. We've done it a bunch of them.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this.
Yeah, this craziness.
My
Like it-
craziness. Ew.
Like and subscribe, and yeah, subscribe to me and Rainbow Fox Games. Bye bye.
See you later.
Bye.
I just ran into